Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are learning animal names in Norwegian. Let's make learning fun, with pictures, sounds and real pronunciation. Let's get started.
Let's start with farm animals. Gårdsdyr.
Cow, ku. Let's say again, ku.
Pig. Gris.
Let's say again, gris. Chicken, kylling. Let's say again, kylling. Sheep, sow. Let's say again, sow. Horse, häst. Let's say again, häst. Wild animals, villedyr. Bear, björn. Let's say again, björn. Fox, rev. Let's say again, rev. Wolf, ulv. Let's say again, ulv. Deer, hjort. Let's say again, hjort, hjort. Wild boar. Et vildsvin. Let's say again, et vildsvin. Wow, you're doing amazing. Let's move to part 3. Now, everyone's favorite pets animals, kæledyr. Dog, hund. Let's say again, hund. Cat, cat. Let's say again, cat. Bird, fågel. Let's say again, fågel. Fish, fisk. Let's say again, fisk. Rabbit, kanin. Let's say again, kanin. Congratulations! That's it for today. You just learned 15 animal names in Norwegian. Like and subscribe for more easy Norwegian lessons. Tell us in the comments, what's your favorite animal? Vi ses nästa gång. See you next time.